key to evaluation is the setting of objectives that we have already mentioned. Did the PR activity help you to achieve them? The questions you could be asking include: how many people were reached? Were the right people reached? What messages did they receive? Did they understand the messages? Did attitudes change? What action did they take? The Barcelona Principles are a set of 7 voluntary guidelines established by the PR industry to measure the success of PR campaigns. The guidelines are the importance of goal setting and measurement, as discussed earlier. Measuring the effect on outcomes is preferred to measuring outputs, so results and meeting the objective is key. The effect on business results should be measured where possible. Media measurement requires quantity and quality. We'll discuss this shortly. AVEs, advertising value equivalents, are not just the value of public relations. Social media can and should be measured. Transparency is paramount to sound measurement. Methods of content analysis. When it comes to assessing media coverage that you may have secured for a client, a summary listing the publications and dates of publication is not enough. It contains no insights or interpretation. There are different types of content analysis you can use. There's circulation analysis, which looks at the amount of readers a publication has. There's advertising value equivalence, AVE, which compares the coverage with the cost of purchase of advertising. Competitive analysis looks at the coverage secured in comparison with rival companies. Message analysis, where articles are coded by the presence of key messages included in each article. Tonality analysis can be either favorable or unfavorable to person or organization in the text. This can be assessed on a 0 to 10 scale. And there's prominence analysis, which looks at the publication, size of article, presence of photography, size of headline, etc. The most important analysis, however, is whether the publicity links to communications objectives. In Creativity in Public Relations 2001, Andy Green wrote, "Any fool can get publicity, but the mark of a creative public relations practitioner is to achieve this without compromising the brand or organizational values." In other words, good PR shouldn't be publicity for publicity's sake. It must be congruent with what you've set out to achieve.